Hello, thank you for connecting me to an overview of the cold calling. During this overview, we take a look on the different features of the cold calling and the different process we conduct during the cold calling. So, very basic process of the cold calling contain a 3 steps. That first, we collect the data of our leads and import it. Next, we do the side map of the leads. That means assigning a columns of the data, that which one is containing a company name, the which data containing a phone number, which data containing a URL of a company website, and etc. And last one is making a call and mail to our leads. To make this more clear, I will show you a live video that how we import data and do the side mapping and make calls and emails. So from there, I will import my data. For importing data, you have 3 ways. The first one is upload from a CSV, second paste from a Excel, and third one is import the data from the CRM. I am pasting from the Excel. I had copied my data from my spreadsheet and pasting up here and uploaded. Now I will assign my all the columns, that this is the company name of our leads, the URL, this is the first name of a person whom I want to connect, last name, this will be the general email ID, the title of a person in the company, and this is the phone number, and I start importing it. Now my 6 leads are updated here. Now I will view my leads. So now you can see there I had import my all leads which I want to import it there. Now a basic step, or you can say a major step that we take there to create a smart view. I will create the smart view with name SSS and share with my whole organization. So the major advantage of this smart view creating is to distinguish the data that we collect from the earlier or that I import in the present. So in the all lead section, I had done a many email or a email sequencing, a calling, but from there I can distinguish that how much data I had added or how much data I had used as a per day. So for the email and calling, we have 2 options there. For the email, we have 2 drop down. That first one is the bulk email and second one is the email sequencing. In the bulk mail, a single click can send us a one email to a n number of contacts, and in the email sequence, we automate a follow-up email if a person or a prospect will not responding us or we not replying us our mail. So we ping another mail to them to remind them that yeah, we had mailed you but you are not replying to our mail. So we will create a email sequence for that. And second one is calling. We can start calling from there. Now there is not showing you the predictive calling option also, but there is also a predictive calling option. In the predictive calling option, this feature will automatically contain a calling to a person, that if the one call is hang up, so it will automate the next call and start ringing to the another call. But in the start calling, we select the data manually, that the one person will hang up, we will select that now the second person is whom we want to call, we will select manually. We have provided a primary number, that is from the US number, but you can also add another number of the different countries such as United Kingdom, Australia, India, etc. And there is one more feature is also present, that a call recording. You can also record the call of a person you had called. Now for sending an email and calling, you have to do a general settings. The first one is for the email, that is the email template. You have to prepare a template for sending an email. If you want to do a bulk mail or a follow-up mail, it will be might easy to you to create a email templates. So from there I'm creating my template. This is my template name, Dilpreet First. This is the subject of my email and this is the body, and from there you can attach a file to make your email more attractive. Either you can add videos, photos, template, etc. So from there I can save my email template, and this is my follow-up email for the email sequencing. For the phone and the voicemail, you can do a two settings. That is your phone number. If you want to add another number, you can add it from there and it will show in their window. And the second one is most interesting and major setting is voicemail drop. So it occurs many times that the person whom we are want to call will not answering us from the unknown number, that this is the unknown number, I am not accepting the call, that cause a major issues. So we will drop a voicemail that yeah, we want to connect you and we are from the different this company and this is the purpose of calling you, so you might call back. So the person, he or she, will contact us back after receiving that voicemail. So you can add your voicemail and numbers of voicemail from there also. Now for the email sequence, this is a step for creating an email sequence. You can add email sequence name, you can add template, a new template also, or if from the settings, if you had added a follow-up template, you can add it from there. And this is the body of the template. That and the another step was the scheduling a follow-up email. So in this you will accord a setting that if you when and which time you want to send the follow-up email, that anytime, any day, or a working time or a working hours. So you can automate this setting that after 2 or 3 days, if the person is not responding to you, that you can send the follow-up email. Now from there you can watch all of the leads which you have added there. Now for the bulk email, so there is the 14 leads are present which I want to mail the. So I will select the template from there to my all contacts and preview. In this feature you will see that the email template will automatically taken up the first name of a person we want to send the email. So I am sending my email to alex@smartgroupLimited.co.uk. So it will automatically take up the first name, that is the hi Alex. You can see another mail also a preview, that hi Align. So hi Align. So this is how it will automatically take up the first name of a person, and this is the major advantage to creating a template, that on a one click you create a you add a template, you add a number of emails, and from one click you send one mail to the n number of your contacts. This is the 14. You can send the 100,000 number of emails you have sent. So this is all is about the cold calling and the different features and different process that we take up during the cold calling.